We have 11 service centers, branches around the country that provide services, various services to HIV positive people. We also have other offices other than the 11 centers. We have other offices for our Global Fund grants, and then also a training center in Kenenya where we do capacity building. We look after currently about 120,000 HIV positive people across our centers. These centers are all of them are operational, functional, despite the challenges in funding. We have been able to put up some resources and the spirit of volunteerism to be able to execute our mandate. I know many people know TASO for HIV, but we do a lot more beyond HIV. We do HIV, TB, we are in malaria, we are in lots of community work. We do capacity building, training of various cadres of health workers around the country, among others. We work with many partners to execute this mandate. One of the critical aspects of this execution is the supplies, the commodities, the drugs that people need to take. So we have had a very long-standing partnership with Joint Medical Stores, many years. This includes drugs, specifically for opportunistic infections, personal protective equipment, which covers gloves, gowns, masks, etc.